Oppo Reno 15 Pro, a true flagship redefined. Introducing the all-new Oppo Reno 15 Pro, a device that's setting new standards in design, performance, and innovation for 2025. With a sleek futuristic look and premium flagship internals, the Reno 15 Pro stands tall among the best smartphones of this generation. From its immersive display and powerful processor to its advanced camera system and lightning-fast charging, this phone is designed to meet the demands of creators, gamers, and tech enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll take you through every detail of the Reno 15 Pro, from the design to the display, performance, camera quality, software experience, and battery life. Let's begin with the design, which is the first thing that catches your eye. The Oppo Reno 15 Pro features a slim and modern matte glass finish on the back with curved edges that seamlessly blend into its aluminum frame. The overall construction feels luxurious in hand, exuding elegance and style. The camera module is subtly integrated into the rear panel with a clean, minimal look. The Reno 15 Pro comes in premium color options like Astral Black, Jade Green, and Aurora Purple, all reflecting light beautifully under different angles. Now, moving to the display, and this is where the Oppo Reno 15 Pro truly shines. It boasts a large 6.74-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with ultra-slim bezels and curved edges that provide an immersive viewing experience. The display supports a 120Hz refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling rate, and HDR10+, ensuring vivid colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling whether you're gaming, watching movies, or just browsing. With a peak brightness of over 1600 nits, it's highly visible even in direct sunlight. The in-display fingerprint scanner is fast and accurate, adding to the overall premium feel. Under the hood, the Reno 15 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, which is built on a 4nm architecture for improved performance and power efficiency. Whether you're a heavy multitasker or a hardcore mobile gamer, this processor handles everything thrown at it with ease. Paired with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, you'll experience blazing fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and stable gaming sessions even on high graphics settings. Games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, and Genshin Impact run buttery smooth with sustained frame rates and minimal heating thanks to Oppo's advanced vapor chamber cooling system. Now let's talk cameras, one of the strongest features of the Reno 15 Pro. The main camera setup includes a 50MP Sony IMX890 primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, delivering sharp, vibrant, and detail-rich photos in all lighting conditions. Whether it's day or night, landscapes or portraits, the Reno 15 Pro captures stunning shots enhanced by Oppo's next-gen AI imaging engine. The phone also features a 13MP ultra-wide camera for expansive views and a 2MP macro lens for close-up photography. On the front, there's a high-resolution 32MP selfie camera capable of capturing bright, well-detailed selfies and 4K front-facing video, a feature rarely found in this category. The camera software includes AI portrait retouching, ultra night mode, AI scene enhancement, and cinematic 4K video filters, all powered by Oppo's in-house image processing algorithms. The result: professional-grade images and videos that are social media ready straight out of the camera. In terms of battery life, the Reno 15 Pro houses a 4700 mAh battery, which is more than enough to last a full day of usage, even with heavy tasks like gaming, video editing, and 5G usage. But what makes it even better is the 80W SuperVOOC fast charging technology. You can go from 0 to 100% in just under 30 minutes, ensuring you're never tied to a charger for too long. It also supports intelligent charging protection and AI charging modes to extend battery lifespan. On the software side, the Reno 15 Pro runs ColorOS 14 based on Android 14, offering a clean and highly customizable user experience. ColorOS now features improved animations, fluid transitions, and a more minimalist design. You get AI-powered tools like Smart Always-On Display, Auto Pixelate for privacy in screenshots, split-screen productivity modes, and improved battery management. Oppo has also promised 3 major Android updates and 4 years of security patches, keeping your device secure and up-to-date. Other notable features include dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, an improved haptic feedback engine, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, 5G dual SIM, and advanced facial recognition. It's a complete package designed for power users who want it all. The Oppo Reno 15 Pro is not just another Android phone, it's a flagship crafted with finesse and innovation. It combines top-of-the-line performance, a fantastic display, superb cameras, and ultra-fast charging in a stylish body that looks and feels ultra-premium. It's ideal for photography lovers, mobile gamers, professionals, and even casual users looking for a well-rounded phone. While official global pricing hasn't been confirmed, early reports suggest the Reno 15 Pro could launch around $649 to $699, depending on region and variant. In countries like India and Pakistan, we can expect pricing to start around 54,999 Indian rupees or PKR 179,999, putting it directly in competition with other premium flagships like the Galaxy S24, Xiaomi 15T Pro, and OnePlus 13. What do you think about the Reno 15 Pro? Is this the flagship killer you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech and smartphone launches. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.